Nature. The word nature is a commonly used word. This word is used in a variety of contexts. Perhaps the most important reference is the multiple species of plants, animals, wildlife, and all that the earth contains from topography such as mountains, valleys, beaches, and seas, and forests. One of the greatest manifestations of nature's beauty is the beautiful smells of certain creatures, such as flowers, and certain kinds of fruits, especially citrus. The beauty of nature around us is one of the greatest blessings of God on us. This beauty allows us to choose places and many destinations for the sake of rest, recreation, and the best of times. The beauty of nature is an important source of income for many countries of the world. Natural places are a tourist attraction that helps countries to improve their economic level. Nothing is quite beautiful alone, nothing but is beautiful in the whole.